Hi, I'm Josh Lockheed, Training Evangelist here at QuoteWerks. One pricing option you have available to you in QuoteWerks is to price your items based on customer and customer/product profile. This is useful for companies that have different groups of customers whose pricing is governed by the type of organization they are. For example, some companies will charge education customers a different price compared to their non-education counterparts. For this, you can use the customer profile-based pricing. Even more granularly, some companies will charge a specific price based on the customer profile and the profile of the product they are selling. An example of this may be an education customer is charged 15% markup on products and a 20% markup on services. In this scenario, you are able to assign a price matrix that takes both the customer and the product profile into account when pricing each item. As you can see, I have a quote open in QuoteWerks Desktop. The first step in establishing customer price profiles is to set up your customer profiles. To do this, click on Utilities, then Customer Profile Maintenance. The system is preloaded with some defaults, but they can be edited or deleted, and you can add new ones by using the New button. For the purposes of today's demonstration, we have created a customer profile called Education. Note that if you add a new customer profile, you will need to restart QuoteWerks for it to be able to be used on other steps in this process. Once you have your new customer profile added, click Close to exit this window. Click back on Utilities, but this time click on Customer Price Level Assignment Maintenance. Here you will want to associate the newly created education profile with a price level. In my case, price level I is empty, so I will use this one. I'll then press OK to exit this window. We'll now navigate back to Utilities, and this time Product Profile Maintenance. Here you can set up the different product profiles you want to assign. These profiles can group products in whatever way you choose, and in my QuoteWerks you can see I have 5 profiles set up. Each one of these can price a product differently based on the pricing structure that you assign to the profile. We'll hit Close to exit this window, and we'll now look at our Customer/Product Price Profile Matrix by clicking on Utilities, then Customer/Product Price Profile Matrix Maintenance. Here you can select a product price profile and assign a price or cost modifier for each of your customer profiles. This means that you can have any number of product groups have a different pricing level for the selected customer profile. This is useful in the scenario where you can have a specific customer profile, like education, and want to charge different prices based on the price profile of the product. For example, you may charge a 15% markup on products and a 20% markup on services for education customers. When you select the education price profile and add a product that has a product price profile assigned, it will use the matrix to mark up that product for this customer by a specific amount. As you can see here, we have our default product price profile selected, and the price modifier for education has been set to M33, or a markup of 33%. We can hit OK to exit this window, and we will now look at how to set up products to use these pricing methods. To do so, we'll click on Products and select one of our connected QuoteWerks product databases. In my case, I will select Our Products database. I'm going to select the first product here and click the Edit button. This opens the Edit Product window. I'm going to click on the Pricing tab, then select a drop-down below the Price section. As you can see, there are a number of options, but we are going to focus on customer-based pricing levels and based on customer/product profile. Selecting customer-based pricing levels will open the Edit Pricing Levels window. Here you can set the pricing level for each assigned customer profile. Since we just set up the education customer profile, we'll click on the 3 dots to the right of education and assign our pricing strategy. We will set this product to have a margin amount of 31% for our education customers, or P31, and hit OK to save this setting. Let's now add this product to our quote by selecting it and clicking on Select Add. You'll notice that in the Add Item Assistant window that the price modifier/price is listed as price level based. We'll hit Add and this item will be added to our quote. Let's close out of this product lookup window and go back to the document workbook. You'll now see that our product has been added to the quote and the price modifier lists as C. This indicates that the price is being set by the customer price profile. Note, however, that in this case the unit and extended price are equal to 0. That's because we have not selected the customer's profile yet. Let's click over to the Sold To Shipped To tab. At the bottom of the Sold To area you will see a profile drop-down. I will select Education here, and then we'll go back to the quote workbook. Notice that the product still has a C price modifier, but the unit price has been updated to reflect a profit amount of 31%. You are also able to set pricing based on customer/product profile. You can do this by going back to the Edit Product window. Click on Products, select the product, hit Edit, then navigate to the Pricing tab. Here, under the item pricing method, we will select based on customer/product profile. This will open the customer/product profile matrix. Here we can use a product price profile that is shared with other items by selecting the profile from the drop-down list. Simply select the product profile you wish to use and then set the price modifier for each customer profile. Setting the price profile up this way will apply the product profile group's pricing based on the customer profile anytime this item is added to a quote. All items in that shared price profile will inherit the pricing set here. Alternatively, you can set this item to have its own product price profile. Pricing set in this way will be independent from other price profiles, and if you want to edit this moving forward, you would have to manually change them by editing the product and adjusting the settings from the Pricing tab. To review, you have the ability to set your pricing for a product based off the product profile as well as the customer profile. Customer profile pricing can be applied across all products or can be based on the product's product price profile. You have the granularity to set the names of these profiles and to apply them in whatever way makes the most sense for your business. These options give you the ability to set pricing strategies based on your customer profile and the product you are selling, making it easier to provide customized pricing to your customers on demand. If you have any questions about customer and product profile pricing, feel free to review our help files or give our team a call at 407-248-1481.